AI filmmaking is changing fast, and right now, Seedance 2.0 is taking over the entire AI video industry. This entire cinematic scene was created in less than 15 minutes. I'm Chase Brooks from Chase Profit, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create cinematic AI videos like a professional. Let's jump in. Step 1, getting started. First, go to Higgsfield, then click Create Video. Make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected. Now you can paste your prompt, but here's where Seedance 2.0 becomes powerful. It gives you camera control plus multi-shot cinematic scenes. Let me show you. Example, cinematic camera movement. Cinematic drone shot of a modern city at sunset. Man standing on rooftop, wind blowing coat, camera slowly moving forward, dramatic lighting, cinematic atmosphere, ultra realistic, smooth motion, film style. Set, duration, 10 to 15 seconds. Ratio, 16 to 9. Resolution, 720p or 1080p. Generate. You'll notice the camera movement looks like a real film shot. That's the power of Seedance 2.0. Step 2, realistic dialogue with audio. Now let's create something even more impressive, real dialogue. 3 people sitting in desert, sunny afternoon, cinematic scene, wind sound, realistic environment, characters talking. Person 1, we should have reached by now. Person 2, the map is old. Person 3, stay calm, we'll find it. Ultra realistic, cinematic lighting, natural audio. Turn audio on, generate. Now you'll hear real voices, real background sound, natural conversation.
Should have reached by now.
The map is old.
Stay calm, we'll find it.
This is something most AI tools still struggle with. Step 3, create UGC ads. Seedance 2.0 is also perfect for ads. Close-up of woman applying skincare product, natural lighting, realistic skin texture, cinematic advertisement style, slow motion, high quality, realistic motion. This is perfect for paid ads, brand content, product videos. The skin interaction looks incredibly realistic. Step 4, using reference images. Now here's where things get serious. Upload reference images. This helps with same face, same outfit, same location. Upload 3 to 4 references, then use 2 action characters running across rooftop, helicopter flying above, dramatic lighting, cinematic movement, action movie style, smooth camera motion. Now your video becomes much more consistent. This is how advanced users create cinematic videos. Step 5, create characters. Now let's create your characters. Male action hero, athletic build, modern tactical outfit, short black hair, cinematic lighting, realistic skin texture, movie style. Generate multiple versions. Pick best one. Now second character, female action character, confident expression, tactical outfit, cinematic lighting, realistic skin texture, movie quality. Now your characters are ready. Step 6, create cinematic scene. Upload character 1, character 2, location, helicopter. Then use action scene on rooftop, helicopter flying above, characters running, cinematic lighting, dramatic mood, smooth camera movement, realistic motion, movie quality. Generate. Now you have a cinematic movie scene. Step 7, chain scenes together. This is the most powerful feature. Upload previous video as reference, then generate the next scene. Continuation of rooftop scene, characters hiding behind wall, helicopter searching, dramatic tension, cinematic lighting, smooth camera movement. Now your scenes connect like a real movie, and that's how you create cinematic AI videos using Seedance 2.0. Subscribe for more AI tools, automation, and profit-focused content. See you in the next video.